Let's state what we know so far. 1. Computing devices come in all shapes and sizes, from handheld to desktop, from gas pumps to supermarket checkout machines. 2. Every computing device has an operating system. When it comes to personal computing devices, we have Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Linux, iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. Let's push this now a little farther. Every operating system offers the same 4 features. It provides a user interface. It provides coordination among hardware components. It monitors health and functionality. And it provides a way to store and retrieve data. Let's spend the rest of this episode looking at examples. An operating system enables the input, output, and processing hardware to work together to get stuff done. A tablet computer provides a perfect example. The operating system and the hardware are intimately entwined. It's all one unit, right? Every operating system provides some way for you to interact with the machine. That's pretty obvious when you think about a standard Windows computer. Windows provides icons to click to open programs and has a nice desktop screen for output, so you can see what's happening. But what about the smartphone? The machine and the interface are all melded together. iOS shows all your apps. The touchscreen tells iOS that you want to load an app like Safari and then surf the internet. iOS enables you to swipe left or right to switch apps. That's the operating system providing a user interface. No, not that one. Really? Here's a Windows PC running a game where the player races against other people over a network. You have a whole lot of hardware working here. The joystick helps steer, accelerate, and brake. The internal processing components take that input and shoot it out through the monitor and speakers. Plus, the network interface has to work to keep all the players updated about each other. How do all these hardware components talk? Magic? Of course not. The operating system enables all these devices to communicate. Only the operating system has the programming to handle this task. Go, 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 go. A computer can show a lot more than that, though. This Windows computer has a utility called HW Monitor installed that shows a ton of detail, from the core temperatures of components, to electrical usage, to fan speeds, and a whole lot more. Every operating system enables data storage and retrieval. An operating system creates structures for saving files and folders, plus naming systems that enable you to access what you've saved. The desktop on my Mac OS computer, for example, has a hard drive icon clearly labeled. Mine says Macintosh HD. Double-click it to open the folder structure for the drive. Click one of the links on the left, such as All My Files, to see the contents of that container. But what about a device like a Chromebook? That's a computer designed primarily to run always connected to the internet, using web-based tools and cloud storage. Does it create data storage structures and naming? The simple answer is yes, of course it does. But it looks a little different from what you might expect on a PC or Mac. To see the storage structures, open All Apps and click the Files app. Click the My Drive icon to view your online files. You can search here or sort by various options. I could show you many more examples of computing devices that exhibit all 4 of these functions. But why don't you do some field work? What computing devices do you use? In the car, the supermarket, the gas station? Do all of them feature a user interface and coordinate hardware? Do they monitor system health? Do they enable data storage and retrieval? Check out your devices.